So you've hired a seemingly reputable company to come to your home or business. But how much can you really know about the people that will make a repair, care for a loved one, or be around your documents or valuables? Companies say they background check, but what does that really mean? Many companies, even big brands, consider a driving record check a background check. Even when performing criminal checks, many companies just check one county or state, or do an instant internet check. This means dangerous things like felony convictions get overlooked. So is it safe to open your door to a stranger? The seal of approval from AskTheSeal.com gives you the confidence you need to really know who you're working with. We verify the company's licenses, insurance, and customer service record, and we perform thorough criminal checks on the employees, not just the owner, before they come to your door. Here's how the seal of approval works. Go to AskTheSeal.com to find top-rated businesses for free. The company can send you an appointment verification through our Seal Mail system, which includes the employee's photo, bio, and verification of annual background check. The employee shows up wearing a photo ID, further verifying their background check. Demand the seal of approval from AskTheSeal.com.